Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up SteelSeries Sonar. First, download and install the SteelSeries GG software from their official website. Once installed, launch the application and navigate to the Sonar tab. This is your central hub for all audio adjustments. Make sure your headset, microphone, and speakers are properly connected to your computer before proceeding. This foundational step ensures Sonar can detect and manage your audio hardware effectively. Now let's route your audio. In the Sonar interface, you will see three main mixers: game, chat, and microphone. For the game output, select your primary gaming headset. Next, choose your dedicated microphone from the microphone input dropdown. Finally, for the chat output, select the device you use for voice communication, which might be the same as your game headset or a separate one. This ensures each audio stream goes to the correct place. With devices assigned, it's time to fine-tune your audio levels. Use the sliders in the game mixer to set your overall game volume to a comfortable level. In the chat mixer, adjust the volume so you can hear your teammates clearly without it overpowering the game audio. For your microphone, set the gain to ensure your voice is transmitted clearly and without distortion, typically aiming for a level around -20 decibels. To further enhance your experience, explore Sonar's advanced features. The parametric equalizer allows you to customize your sound profile across 10 frequency bands, from 32 Hz to 16 kHz. Enable spatial audio for a more immersive and competitive edge, especially in games. Once you have your perfect setup, save it as a custom preset. This allows you to quickly switch between configurations for different games or activities, ensuring consistent audio quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.